Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to use an apex method inside a flow. So without any late, let's start. So first create a apex class, must be public. Okay, so I can say flow class, and inside that, so already name existed. So let's search for them. Okay, create a new class here, flow. Let's say flow. Okay, so in this flow create a method, and that is must be static and must be in an annotation. Invocable annotation is mandatory method. In the invocable annotation you can give a label to identify that method. Okay, I'm saying flow method. Okay, you can also provide description if you want. Okay, so next step is make it as public and static. I'm returning list of strings. Okay, and I can say send response, send response to flow. Okay, so you can pass only one parameter here. Okay, we'll see later. So I'm creating a list of string, and here message, I'm sending a message to that new list string, new list string. Here I'm passing, let's say I will add message dot add. I'm passing one value. So here I can say my message is I am Iron Man. I am Iron Man. Okay. So written this in this message. So you can pass only one parameter, and method must be public and static. Okay. And once you saved, and let's check what was the error. Yeah, I missed semicolon here, and save it. Once you created a method here, then create a flow. Okay. Invocable method. So label, here the mistake is label. Yeah, so once you have done that, go back to your flow and call an action here. In the action, select filter by type, select type, and here select apex action. In the apex action, so it's showing there is no, make sure the apex class include invoke method. So right now it's not there, so refresh it. We just created, right? Refresh and click on next and next, and drag and drop action element here. In the type, select type category. Here here select your flow method. Remember what your flow method name, flow method. Okay, so search for flow method. So in the apex section, so you can see flow method, it's showing here, it's showing here. This is apex class. The class name is flow and the method name is flow method. So I mentioned here flow method. That's what this label is showing here. Okay. So select this one. So name it as apex method response. Name it as response and calm down and select these ascend variables. Okay. Here in the output place, the method returning some response, we have to store that response in one variable. So for that, create a new resource to store that response. I'm selecting a variable. So response, I'm naming as response, store response. Here select data type text, and so it is a return type text. So click on done, click on done, and again done. So the response will be stored in this variable. Okay, and click on done and connect to this action. Once after done that, so drag and drop your screen element here So here name it as the screen name as show response and display, drag one but display here. So here name it as response apex response or something whatever. Okay, so here place that response variable here. It will display that response and click on done and connect to this apex to screen element and save it. Name it as apex method, naming as apex method flow, and debug it. You can get that response whatever we returning some response from apex method. So the message is I am admin. So wait for 2 seconds, we'll see that result and click on run. So you can get that message. See, I am admin.